Howdy folks, we're getting ready to start on the next block, block 22, called Monkey Wrench. And you grab yourself a cup of coffee and let's get sewing. Bring you down to the table and we'll get started. Hello. Howdy people. We're working on the monkey wrench and we're using C1 and the background fabric. On this block we're going to be combining what we learned in the first blocks with the strip piecing and the 4 at a time half square triangle method. I'm going to sew and explain as I need to, but by now you should know how to do both of these methods. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our C1 and our background and make our strip set. The book tells us to press open. Now you can press your seams to the dark if you would like to. That would give you the ability to nest your seams. I'm going to do it this way because the pattern calls for us to do it, even though I prefer to do it the nesting way, because I've discovered with these small blocks that it gives me a more accurate seam. Okay, now this tells us to subcut this into 4 pieces. So I'm going to do that and off camera and be ready for the next step. I'm also going to get set up for the 4 at a time. I got this magnet from let's see, I think I got this off of Amazon. It wouldn't work on my other sewing machine because there wasn't enough metal in that machine, but this one it'll work on. And I can set it at any place. It's got a really big magnet on it. The reason out is because I've misplaced my other one, but I can set it right here, right on my seam tape. And I can adjust this to the thickness I need. And it just keeps my 1/4 inch. I use this ruler to measure my 1/4 inch. I put my needle in the 1/4 inch mark right there, and then I set the magnet right up against the ruler, and that gives me a perfect 1/4 inch. So this and the magnet I can't find came from Madam Sew, but I believe I ordered this one from Amazon before I ordered this. So I'm sure the other one will turn up at some point, but right now it's missing in action. I just dug through my trash looking for it, and it wasn't there. Anyway, I have gone around the outside edge of the 2 squares, right sides together, and I will cut those on the diagonal. Yeah, on the diagonal. I couldn't remember what I was doing. And that'll give me my 4 half square triangles. So I'll be back in a minute with that done. Our pieces and parts are ready to go, so let's put our block together. I'm going to start with our center square, and then our colors go in toward the center square, and our half square triangles, the colors go in toward the center square. There we have it. So let's start sewing together with the chain piece method. In my younger days, I didn't need a seam guide, but I can't see very well anymore, so in order to keep sewing, I use whatever tools I can get my hands on. to line up your you can fold your can't see if you can see that or not, but if you have trouble lining up your seams, put a pin in one seam, a 1/4 inch down. If you watch Brenda with Conquering Mount Scrapmore, you know about 1/4 inch down. And if you don't, you can go check her out. She's one of my buddies. Anyway, 1/4 inch down there, 1/4 inch down there, you've got your seams matched. If you pin like most people do, then you just fold down like that. But I'm not going to pin, I just wanted to show you that. I can see where they match up. My pinning is going to be the way I pin, which is so I don't have to remove the pins until okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to do my pressing and trimming, and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.